Guys, with Thomas to Sunset. Today we are getting solar panels in the house. So you can see that there is a truck, uh, digger and pincher. So that's the house where we are gonna put the solar panel. The solar panels are here. They start already working. Um, I will keep making all the way some videos and show you guys how it works. They're getting the stuff out right now. So that's the meter that they're gonna fix the bring the cables from the solar panels. So I don't have the batteries with this solar panel, so it's gonna be charging in the daytime, putting the some energy back to the lines, and then in the evening I can use the actual power. So pretty much it's daytime is gonna create a lot of power. So even I use all night, so I will be pretty much even with my usage. So I will show you guys the site where it's gonna put that hole. I'm gonna let this guy go in first. So that's my backyard. I decided to put on the backyard instead of putting on the roof. I could have done on the roof. I mean, there's plenty of space on the roof, but I have a plenty of space on my backyard. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna have it on my backyard, so you can see that. That's a pretty big backyard, and these are going to be 18 plates, so not a whole lot. So I will show you the pictures after that. They're gonna dig 4 holes or 3 holes, and each one is gonna be like 4 feet deep, um, and then they will put all the solar panels there, and then they will dig a trench here, and that will go all the way back to the rectimeter outside. So for solar installation, they are also doing some things inside the house. So one of the things they are putting this thermal around this water heater. So you can see right there, the, because it saves some energy. So if you have solar, I mean, you wanna also save some energy and pay less bill. So this thermal, if you have around your water heater, that does keep the things warm for a long time, and you save some energy on the power. So that's good thing. And also they will be doing some stuff inside. I will keep adding that. What they're doing, this is the meter, actual meter, and then what they're gonna do, there is the inverter right there sitting on the bin, and the wire will from the solar panel will come to that one, and here's the cutoff switch. So from inverter to wire will go to the cutoff switch, and then finally go to the meter. So if you wanna disengage your solar power for a while, maybe for maintenance or something, and then you will use this switch. The gentleman is working on that one. Just cut it off, and then you will be totally using your power from Duke Energy or whatever the company you have. So it's this converter, then you have a cutoff, and then you have your meter. I will show at the end of after the installation how it's gonna put together. So this is a Android app you use to check the level.
It's like an iPhone compass.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Pretty much just like right now we got it on 181.
Oh, nice.
So this will be the way that it's facing right here.
Okay, great. Yeah, looks good. So that's they are putting initial marking.
Move it back. I want to leave you a little bit of space so way you have room to walk back.
Yeah, and mow or something. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What you want to move that up in here? Is that good right there?
Yeah, looks good.
Okay.
As long as I can have like 4 feet on the back.
Okay. We'll measure it out.
Yeah. Already start bringing the mount points. Here are some panels and other things that need to be installed. So you can see that this is the panel they will be installing. So 18 of these. So yeah, you can see that. So in this part, what they're doing inside there, what you guys are doing here?
Well, today we're installing the thermostat. It's called the Nest Pro.
Nice.
Pretty much, This will pretty much tell you everything and help you save. It tell you where you're saving your energy at between your temperatures with the ecosystem. You got your weather, you got your scheduling, you got your date and time, of course.
Right.
You could connect with your phone as well during Wi-Fi.
Also, you can change the temperature
You can
remotely.
change the temperature remotely from your phone.
Oh, that's cool.
Anywhere there's
Nice.
Wi-Fi.
Okay,
compatible.
great. Thank you.
Yep.
So this is the part they are doing inside the house. So one thing they did with the water cooler and did the insulation around it, and now they're putting the new thermostat. So that's pretty cool. Installation. The nest. This is how it looks like. So you can see if you want to change the temperature, you can change the temperature. Looks pretty cool. You can change the temperature from the app too. So I have installed the app, and I can use that to control the temperature. You can see right here, pretty deep hole, from 4 feet. So they have 3 of them, 3. And now the guys digging a trench right there. So from there, solar panels, there will be wire going towards the outside inverter and the power meter. How did you like it? Digging was easy?
These 2 holes are pretty easy, but that last one, it was pretty hard.
Yeah, I know.
They're running into some issues whenever they were hand digging. They said it's just concrete underneath.
Yeah, it's almost very hard to dig with the hands or a small machine. So, we are in Charlotte, North Carolina. Really hard soil here. So you can see right here, some of the part you see like a concrete or rocks. So once with the 4 feet deep, these solar panels are not going nowhere. So that's good.
Yeah, we fill them in with concrete.
Yeah. Making some progress. So that's where the solar panels are going to be at the end, and then they're going to bring the electric wire through that trench right here, and then this is going to go to the inverter. The guys are installing the inverter and the cutoff switch, and that's where the power meter is. Not the concrete. This is 80, I believe 160 bags or something like that. That's what they're gonna use that in those holes to put the post, and they have already dig the trench. So from all the way from this power meter or inverter, and you can see right there they are laying the pipes there. So you can see the pipes right there. Yep. So this is pretty, more than kind of, it's feet deep, 1 foot deep, and you can see all the way there. They are waiting for the county inspector, so he's gonna come take a look if everything looks good, and then they will put these pipes, just put the wire inside and put the pipes there, and then start putting cement and there was a post where they are gonna install these panels. So these are the panels right there. So 18 panels, looks good. So this whole job is going to take them like 6 to 7 hours to finish it. That's pretty quick, but it's 18 posts. Most of the time they're going to spend on this digging the holes, this trench, and then an hour or so on the installing the inverter. So they have poured the concrete, and you can see right here in 3 holes. Looks pretty good. So he's putting some extra cement there. And also they have put the pipe down there, so the wire all the way to the inverter. So it looks good. That's literally easy work as compared to what you guys have done.
Thanks a lot, guys. Same side on each. Go ahead and tilt it up how it's going to be. Looks like there's a way more on this side. Bring it down your way, Al. Just go ahead and bring it down. Right there. We're going to cut the access route.
Okay, yeah.
Trade you to trade. 61, 52. From a wire, 9 inches. I'm setting to go 3.5. I'm sorry, 4.5 towards.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, y'all got that? I'm about to start working on the J-box.
started at like 7 o'clock, and now it's around 3 o'clock. They are pretty much done here, so you can tell like in 8-9 hours. And sometime and the cement wasn't here, so it took them some time to wait for the cement, and then inspector didn't come, and so they waited for another hour. But they can finish this job like maybe in 6 to 7 hours. So looks pretty good. I like it. It's not really hurting my backyard, like okay, not too ugly or something. Really, matches with that. So uh, I and on top of that, like I like it. It's good for the environment, good for us as humans. So okay, once it's gonna be all installed, I might be able to put some stuff under it. Looks like if in the rain and all that, maybe my lawnmowers can go there. You know, they are gonna cut all the sides. He said that, so the extra hanging side, he's gonna cut that. So that will look really good. They have installed all the 18 panels. Looks really good. They are cutting that extra sides of what you had. So, awesome job. They have installed all the panels, and now they're just kind of cleaning it and filling the holes, and they're gonna put this trench and this go all the way outside to inverter. I already have shown you guys inverter, so it looks really good. I like it. I mean, doesn't yeah, size is pretty good. I mean, you can see that it covers a lot of area, but if you have a big backyard, it's not a big deal to have it. Or even on the, if I would choose to have on roof, that would be also fine. It will just cover maybe 1/3 or a little bit more of the roof, but I decided to go here on the ground, just kind of personal preference, in case maintenance has to be done or wash has to be done, or I don't like labor going on top of that house. That's pretty this is, for me, I mean, kind of dangerous job out there if they have to change a panel or something, but here easy to work with everything because it's on the ground. So really happy with this. I will make some extra video after a month how these panels affect the electric bill or power bill, and I will tell you like how much I had to pay from my pocket. Right now I pay around $150 to $200 every month to the power company, but my hope is like I will not be paying any money after the installation of these panels. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoy and like it, the way these guys were working hard, and also helpful for the environment, you know. So subscribe if you like the video. Thanks.